welcome back to Tice Travel Time. Today I will be going through a what's in my bag of my everyday travel bag. The first thing is the bag. I have been carrying around this Oysho travel bag for about 4 months. I have been loving this bag. It's really simple. It just has a big pocket in the front and then a little pocket in the back. This is just super easy for me to take with me pretty much anywhere I go. I can strap it around with me diagonally, or I carry it around sometimes on the side like a purse. Today we'll be diving into everything that I have in my travel bag. I hope this helps you plan what you want to bring on your travels in your on-the-go bag. So let's get started. The first pocket is in the back. It's right here. And generally I will have my phone in this back pocket, and I have my wallet. I've been carrying around this small wallet where it just kind of has your one main zip and then a little zip. With my wallet, I have my change in the front. I also have an air tag in my wallet. This is just in case it ever gets stolen. I want to be able to keep track of it. Within the main section of the wallet, it's pretty self-explanatory. I have cash, I have some business cards. I also have Band-Aids, and I have some ponytails in there as well. That's pretty much everything that is in my wallet. Now onto the main section. I have a lot of different things that I carry around in this bag. It is pretty full. It has everything that I could need. The first thing is my sunglasses. These are pretty easy, basic sunglasses. I got these when I went to Mallorca. They were really like 10 euros. The next thing, I have talked about this multiple times in my organization video. This is just a Baggu travel bag, and it unfolds. This is great. You can use this as a tote bag. You can use this as a grocery bag. I've learned that these are just great to have around, at least one. The next essential is my AirPods. I use AirPods all of the time. I actually just love having my AirPods with me 24/7 so that I can listen to audiobooks or music or a podcast, but these are a game changer. Any form of headphone is a must when traveling around. The next thing is gum. I just think that gum is really good to have around. I get so nervous that I have bad breath, and to know that like having gum can fix that, it's really good. I think that gum is definitely an easy thing to carry around, and you can definitely get a smaller pack if you wanted to, so it doesn't take up too much space. The next essential is hand sanitizer. This is a must. This is the lavender hand sanitizer. This is from Trader Joe's, but this is truly a must. I cannot tell you how often I am sharing my hand sanitizer with friends and people. If you have to go to the bathroom in a porta potty, or if there's not really hand soap, this is just really, really, really good to have around. Definitely hand sanitizer is an essential. The next two things I have in my bag are both electronics. So I pretty much always carry around a charger. I hate how messy charging cords can get. I have a rubber band around this one, and I really like having a rubber band around it because it just makes it so that it's not messy in my bag. I can just grab my charger, and then I have a portable charger also. Having a portable charger is a must and is definitely essential, especially if you're going out one night. So these are must-haves in your everyday bag. The next two things are lip-based. So this is just like a basic nude lipstick. I don't use it that often. I just love having a little lipstick to carry around. So I have this. And then I have my lip gloss. This is the Buxom lip gloss. This is from Amazon. I use this every single day. This is technically like lip plumping lip gloss. It's very cute. I do absolutely love my Buxom lip gloss, and I highly recommend that you get some too. The next things are sunscreen. I bullet journal pretty much every single day. I've learned over time that carrying around sunscreen with you is really important, especially if you have sensitive skin. Here I have the Supergoop Unseen sunscreen. I really like this because when I'm traveling alone and I realize I didn't put sunscreen on, this is the best. It goes on really smoothly, it's not greasy, and it just is very easy to put on, and it's unseen, so it's clear. If you miss a spot when rubbing in, no one would notice. The other one I have is the La Roche-Posay sunscreen, and this one is pretty creamy, but it goes on really well. I absolutely love carrying around sunscreen, and I think that you would benefit from it too. These next few things are kind of just essentials that I've learned over time are must-haves. First thing is tissues. I don't necessarily use tissues a ton, but When I go to a place and there's no toilet paper, I cannot tell you the level of crisis mode I get into. It's like very scary. Being able to carry around tissues, that just kind of helps make me less nervous about that situation. But also, tissues are good to have if you have a runny nose or anything. They're really nice to have around with you 24/7. The next thing I have is just one pad. This is just in case of an emergency. It's self-explanatory. The next thing is some hand lotion. Just use this more so in the winter when my hands get kind of dry. I like to have smooth hands. This is just a really great thing to have. The next few things are definitely personal essentials that I always need to have on me. The first thing is pills. I have some Motrin and Tylenol. I get really bad migraines. They run in my family and they are a total nightmare. I do have stronger medicine for it, but generally if I take Motrin or Tylenol right when I'm starting to get a headache, I can prevent an actual migraine coming on. So I always carry these. These are must have, especially when I have friends that get headaches or anything. I always love to be like, I can help you. So that's definitely nice to have too. Next thing is floss. I have learned to love floss. Like I used to hate flossing and now I pretty much floss every single night. It's really nice to have floss on hand at all times. I hate going out to a meal and getting something in my teeth and not being able to get it out. Having floss on the go is just really essential. This is a great thing to carry around with you all the time. The next few things are all hair accessories. I have a scrunchie, a ponytail, and I have some bobby pins and then little ponytails. These are all just great to have around. I know a lot of other people sometimes forget hair accessories, and for me, I just really like to be versatile with my hair. I don't want to have it one specific way. These are definitely must. The last two things I have, one is pretty random. I have a little business card pouch. This is kind of silly. I really like to have business cards with me at all times. Generally, I always have my wallet with me, but if I forget it or anything, it's still really nice to have at least my business cards. And the last thing is nail clippers. Maybe other people wouldn't really need, but for me, I need my nail clippers. That is everything that I carry around with me pretty much every single day. These are all my on-the-go essentials that I think are must-haves. Whether you are traveling abroad or going to a local store, these are definitely things to carry with you all the time. I hope that you enjoyed this what's in my bag video, and I hope that this was really helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment below and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Tice Travel Time.